A very good morning, Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We'll continue to take a look on what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. There is a thief from Kukadoma who did something amazing, and pane pamwe paunonyatsoona kuti munhu haaba but haasi kuda kubatwa. King JZ, we are going to play the video, but let us read this first, then we play the video. He says, daring thief escapes mob by scaling tower in Zimbabwe. And he says, in a heart-stopping scene in Kukadoma, Zimbabwe, a thief took extreme measures to evade capture by scaling a 30-meter tall light tower. The incident drew a crowd, reflecting perhaps the town's unemployment rate, as onlookers watched in a mix of horror and fascination. As the thief ascended, several brave or perhaps foolhardy individuals from the public decided to follow, transforming into real-life Spider-Man in their pursuit of justice. The crowd below held its breath, gasping as it seemed the thief might lose his grip at the moment, facing a potentially fatal fall. The tension escalated with every move, the crowd's murmurs growing into loud gasps. However, in a twist of fate, the thief outmaneuvered his three pursuers at the pinnacle of the tower. With agility that belied his predicament, he began his descent not towards freedom, but into the arms of the law awaiting him below. Thanks to my sources on the ground for the captivating video. So we need to take a look onto this video and see, guys, you'd see good people sacrifice in each and every assignment. Let us see. What we can conclude and say is Mbavha Yoita and Mbavha Yoita matrix. Guys, I just need to know your thoughts. What do you think about this whole thing? This is something else, but amen. Imagine, guys, kana vanga vakwira in that person obva adonha ofa. Anenge ane mhosva ndiani, and mhosva iyoyo vanenge vachiitambira vachiti kudii. So it's something else, but vanhu vane zvivindi, vanhu vakatsunga. But it is what it is. Continue to watch and